Range Rover D350 Autobiography, finished in Carpathian Grey with huge specification. 24 plate, 13,000 miles. The pricing, great price this car, £99,990. Land Rover warranty till 2027. Beautiful condition. It's got 24-way executive rear seats, which have been paid for as an option. 23-inch SV Bespoke wheels, again, which are beautiful. Side steps, privacy glass, sliding sunroof, heated seats, cooled seats, massage seats as well. And in fabulous condition. Carpathian Grey is a great colour as well on the exterior. Privacy glass at the back. The wheels, just have a close look at these wheels. So these are a big option. 23-inch, diamond turned, SV Bespoke, bright silver with the grey inserts. If I just lock it and unlock it and just show you the lights at the back, beautiful LED lights, gloss black into the rear bumper. And I'll just show you inside. Really been beautifully looked after as well, this car, from the owner. Rubber, boot liner, all seats are electronically adjustable. If you want to drop them, you can just press them. It's also got an electric deployable tow bar as well. Remember, this is a 350 horsepower, it's the D350. It is the best diesel engine that Land Rover can produce currently. Let's show you in the back first. So remember I said it's got rear executive seats. Look at this. Full extended Autobiography extended leather. Meridian signature sound system, rear memory seats. You get things like rear blinds, upgrade leather illuminated seat belts, beautiful inside. And then if I press that down, you've got your central armrest, which does all your blinds, all your cup holders. There's a little device on there which is lovely, but the condition of the car is excellent as well. I think that's so important because it's beautiful throughout. In here, slide that up, do your seats, your climate control, your lighting, even, and then your cup holders. It's got this wonderful dark grey wood finish as well, again, which is right. Ebony extended leather roof lining, sliding sunroof, just beautiful, beautiful example. You can really see, with it being an Autobiography, the quality of the leather, much higher grade leather in an Autobiography than a standard Range Rover. Soft closed doors, four-wheel steering. Into the front, again, all your Autobiography illuminated sills, two-tone heated steering wheel. The seats in the front are heated, cooled and massage. The seats in the back are heated and cooled as well. If I just start it up, you've also got a fridge here. So fridge, you've got ClearSight Camera. Opening, tilt and sliding sunroof, heads up display. Just a great, great car. Facelift model, so you've got the new style, the new setup here. So you've got your wireless charging. Like I said, fridge is an optional extra. You don't get that standard on an Autobiography. Camera system is absolutely superb. So you've got your 3D park assist and you've got tone assist with it having an electric deployable tow bar, and you've got, that's your park assist button there as well. Your cabin lighting to change all your colours, your driver assistance, everything. And it's a 350. And it's, in, for me, up there with the #1 retailing colour, Carpathian Grey. It is going to go live on all our platforms. If you want to contact me direct, my name and number is on the screen. Thank you for watching.